Hey kids, what up? Holla. Holla, 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 holla. Welcome back to my channel. It's me. Hey Dogalicious. Ooh, okay, that's enough. Everybody's always looking forward to fall weather, fall vibes, fall sweaters, blah 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 blah. Your girl is ready to play with some special effects, to play with some fake blood, play with some real blood. We don't know. We're gonna kind of start off with smaller fun things and kind of move up to big things throughout the month of October. Without further ado, I hope you enjoy this video. Today we are going to do a cut crease. Yes, a cut crease. You're probably thinking, the fuck? No, no, no. We're going to do a real cut crease. So if you're one of those people that likes to just answer the door and hand out candy, but you want to do a little something fun, this might be for you. Alright, step one, we are creating our base outline. Here I'm using a deep red eyeshadow, and you want to make sure you draw your line high enough to where your lashes won't be tapping into your blood later. Step two, bruising. So here I'm using yellow cream paint to start with, and I'm going to buff and blend that all around the top and bottom outer perimeter of my cut crease. Then I'm taking a deep red and deep purple cream paint and I'm mixing those together right on top of that baseline that we created to create that actual bruising point with just a light stipple motion. The best part of the whole thing, scab blood. I love how thick this is. It stays put and it actually dries down kind of in a chunky way. What I'm doing is just pressing it into my eye in certain areas, dragging along the line to stretch the pigment, but leaving little chunky scabby areas as we go. Don't worry if it gets messy because scabs are not perfect. They are always a little crooked and messy. And from there, just apply the rest of your makeup as normal and get out there and scare those kids. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini situation. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel while you're here. I have more shit coming, I promise. And I'll see you in the next video.